So guys, a lot of people are using for news portals. They're using for Instagram account will be here. When you click in Instagram, the open for Instagram will be here. Some they showing for chat with the customers or chat with your Instagram profile users. So you are not available in the Instagram live. So how we can give the auto reply for the Instagram users? That meanwhile, how to reply auto reply automatically. Suppose you are not available, but we can receive the message will be automatically. How to receive message from the Instagram user to message by the Instagram profiles. So first of all, select your option. And one more thing, here is a profile is there. They're not showing any message option. They're not showing for desktop user. They're showing only for mobile user. How it is? They're showing will be like this. So now they're showing for what's called message option. But in a desktop, they're not showing any message option. How to give the auto reply for the customers? The first of all, we can go to your Facebook page, click for inbox. We have two options will be there. Instant reply and away message. We have to activate two messages, instant reply and away message. So you're always there by Instagram. You can using for instant reply. If you're not there, you're always in Instagram. We can go for particular option. Select option here. You can go to instant reply. Select your option here. Select your option here. Now enable. Click for save. Before save, we are selecting for Facebook Messenger option and Instagram. We are selecting for two options. I give them my website. Thank you for contact latest news. We can contact will be here also. So here I'm promoting for my website link. So this will be I'm promoting. Second thing will be away message. Select it, edit. Here will be same. Thank you for message. We can't respond right now. For more details, contacting my website. Selecting your time zone. We always selecting for time zone for Indian time zone. Don't forget the selecting for Indian time zone. This compulsory important for the stuff of selecting for time zone option. So I'm selecting for here. Anyone can do, but the all option will be compulsory. We can do by particular things. Add timings. Add time will be total 24 hours. When you away the message, automatically give the reply for the customers. When reply the customers will be here. So here this one. Save this. Away message. Edit. Activate for Messenger and Instagram. Don't forget that this about two option, Messenger and Instagram, and save it. After save this option, if anybody come into your mobile users, sending for message option, click for hi. So people get the automatic message will be to the message option. Now get it for hi. So the receive by the message will be automatic response will be given. So this is called auto reply message will be enabled for the particular Facebook to we can activate for the Instagram account. Before activation this option, the Instagram account compulsory activated by the Facebook page. How it is? Go to setting option. The Instagram profile compulsory connect with the Facebook page. The option name is called Instagram here. After connecting this option, this instant reply will be applicable by the Instagram account to activate from Facebook inbox option, automatic response option. So this is compulsory to activate instant reply message on the Instagram profile purpose.